Experience better baling with Weave Automation. Weave Automation allows for effortless operation, eliminating manual weaving. The baler can now seamlessly follow the tractor through the field. This can increase operator productivity and efficiency. With powerful precision technology, you can maximize production and minimize field time with Weave Automation, including automatic curve following. Get consistent bale shape and quality and eject bales faster with an automated gate cycle. Take advantage of free access to bale documentation in John Deere Operations Center and use data to make informed decisions on bale moisture, weight, and yield. The perfect bale is within reach with Weave Automation.